Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use one account on multiple phones on WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So WhatsApp now allows you to use one account on up to your 4 phones plus other devices, all linked to the same number. So you need to first of all link your another phone to your WhatsApp account on your primary phone. You need to open your WhatsApp app and tap on the three dots. So once you tap on the three dots, you can simply go to settings, and then you can simply find the link devices option. So now if you want to simply set up like different devices on of WhatsApp with the same single account, all you can do is simply tap on the scanner right besides the name, and once you find the scanner, you can simply scan that particular scanner, and once it is scanned, you can simply get login, but you need to get access through your primary device as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.